Good evening everybody. Today we will do the next class of our regular learning session. As we know that we are learning Pakka Adav in previous session. We just started. So today we will continue with Pakka Adav. 2 more Adavs we will do in Pakka series. So the leg will be same. See. Now the hand movement will be ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam. So hand will come at chest, ta, te, above, te, and tam. See, knee will be down like this. So it will look like hand is little slanting. But please don't slant down your hand. Okay? And again come back. Dhit, te, te, tam. Same at left side. Ta, te, te, tam. Dhit, te, te, tam. So if we will do in medium and fast beat, medium beat will be like this. Say ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam. And fast ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam. So this is third Adav of Pakka Adav. Now next will be another one. See, leg same but little in half circle movement. See, ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam. Now see hand, ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam. This was medium, and in slow, fast beat, ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, dhit, te, te, tam. So these are 2 Adavs again we learned today of our Pakka Adav series. And so today till this we learned. Please practice all this. Hope my friends are all doing well and hope you like our learning sessions. For the learning session again next Friday we will come with another learning session of our Adavs and we will finish Pakka Adav. And in between we will do our different videos, I mean that dance with song. I am getting many comments from my friends. I am feeling honored and I am feeling my students are also very happy. So today till this, good night. Thank you very much. Be safe. Be well. Please take care of your health. Thank you. We will again meet next week.